you still do that thing with your voice?
I know what you mean. What you see with me is what you get, right? I'm an idiot, right? I'm very nervous. That's why I'm jumpy. I'm really sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm just a little... the drugs are kicking in a minute. Yeah, I used to... Because when I was at school, I was very shy. I mean, I had, like, fuzzy hair. I lived in Bristol. I used to talk like that. All right, how are you doing? All right, great. I used to have, like, a facial twitch. I used to go like that. All right, how you doing, all right? My best mate, Seth, he had a twitch. My best friend, he was like, "It's all right, Seth." He goes... So I used to sit in class, you know, and I used to do this brilliant thing. I used to sit there, because I sort of created my own world, and I'd sit there like that, the teacher would be on the blackboard, and I'd go... And the teacher would go... "Who is that?" And I'd go... Who is that? I'd just go... And he would go... Yeah,